Oh, yo! Oh, wait. I can't listen to that, can I? Isn't Pigstep DMCA? What is this? Why you sending me? Why you sending me a door handle tier list? What? What? I'm so mad right now. Like, okay, you know what? Yeah, forget this. Forget. I don't even care anymore. Forget Minecraft. We're doing it. Hello and welcome to my door handle tier list. What is this? Okay, wait. I need to zoom in. How do I zoom? I knew that. Okay. What is that? Okay, hold up. First of all, this D tier. Absolute. I hate these. These are garbage. Okay? Same with this. This is also D tier. This? My mouse is broken. Okay. Wait, which one was I? This one? This is pretty good. I'll put this high A. Might be an S. This one. We'll go this way. This? I mean, it's fine. It's an okay door. Handle. Can't open these with wet hand. Oh, that's true. Yeah, okay, that gets a C. So above this just bottom. These should not be existent. This is too fancy. I'm also gonna put that in D. Okay, now, what is that? Okay, again, now I love the door handles that go down. All them D-walk in the door until someone opens it for you. This one's bad, but it's not as bad. So I'm still gonna give it a D. But it's just I don't like these buttons. Okay, the button. This S tier is a pull down with a grip and a code. Super sick. No, okay, listen. Okay, the code on a door handle, I just hate it. I get that they're cool and all, but I cannot stand just how it looks. This is like, I feel like this is like the base for door handles. This is like the absolute middle. This will also be T tier. So yeah, it's like, yeah, it's probably like top of. Why am I saying D tier? This is like top of C tier. What is that? How? That's a door handle? A Burger King but without the spatula. Okay, that gets B. It's B just because Burger King had to come up for me to. Yeah. Okay. Let me get out all the bad ones. The egg is almost the worst. This one is like also almost the worst. This one can go right there. Okay, now we're getting the good handles. The really good. Actually, never mind. This is also there. What? Okay, this goes to A tier just for how it looks. What? That's insane. Okay. So, this one gets a solid B. Yeah, it gets solid B. This is S. I love these handles. And this, top of A. Yeah, this also goes S. Okay. Here's my official door handle tier list. Um, Obviously this is fact, so with like 75%. Well, you're just wrong then, because obviously, it, everybody should be 100% agreeing with this. And yeah,